For public health, it's been a challenging year due in part to the presence of the Delta variant that rampaged throughout the island for months. Public Health Public Information Officer Janella Carrera.
2021, was also a big year of just coming together and doing the best for our community. And also, we saw the big surge with Delta, and then coming together as a community, as a public health agency, and seeing all of the people come together and pull through, especially coming out of the Delta surge. I think a lot of us were struggling, facing so many challenges. We saw many deaths, many people hospitalized, many people who just were hopeless. But at the end of it, we all came out, we all overcame that challenge, and finally saw what we could do if we all came together.
There were many obstacles that public health had to overcome, and Carrera said there wasn't just one that really stood out.
It's really hard to narrow it down to just one story or even just a few stories, but it's really when we set our goals for 2021 and we were able to reach them. So we had, Operation Liberate Guam and reaching certain goals and then meeting them. And then also seeing how much support that we got from the community, from our federal partners. So when we saw that surge and we reached out to our federal partners with the CDC, HHS, FEMA, and asking for help because, we can't do this alone.
Like any other agency, public health wants to improve and grow to better serve the island.
For public health and for us, I think as long as we stick together and we remember all of the things that we had done, remember all the challenges that we had faced and what we did to overcome them, I think, we can do all of that again and we can come out stronger. So I think my hope and our hope for 2022 is that, we don't lose sight of who we are as a community, and that remind ourselves that we are resilient, that we can overcome this. My hope is that, and our hope is that, people will remember, why we do this, who our loved ones are, why we need to get the booster shots, why we need to get vaccinated.
Carrera added that what public health does is to protect the island from future COVID surges and diseases. Daniel Perez reporting for Guam's News Network.